This one is perfect grade A, excellent texture.
Noted. Lot 42, horn 15. Each horn is carefully packed to prevent damage. The shipment begins its journey to the factory. Powerful water jets clean every horn. The surface is prepared for production. Warm air removes every trace of moisture. The horns are now ready for sorting. The factory organizes thousands of horns every day. Only premium pieces continue to production.
The base trim is complete. Check the diameter. Looks precise, within tolerance. Proceed with the tip cut.
Controlled steam softens the natural horn safely. It is now flexible enough for precision forming. Hydraulic molds create the signature lamp shape. Every horn keeps its unique natural grain.
Cooling permanently fixes the new shape. The horn is now ready for surface finishing.
Every horn is inspected by skilled craftsmen. Only perfect pieces move forward. Careful polishing reveals the horn's natural beauty. The glossy finish highlights every unique pattern. A protective coating preserves the horn's natural finish. It also improves long-term durability.
UV intensity is stable. All right, let's bump the conveyor speed up by 5%.
The centering looks perfect on this one.
Confirmed. The depth is also precise.
A smooth internal channel protects future wiring. Every horn is carefully machined inside.
It's through. Perfect alignment.
The ceramic socket is securely connected. It provides a safe foundation for the lighting system.
The press seated correctly. Confirmed. Laser indicates flawless concentricity.
All parameters are showing green across the board. Excellent. The batch is approved for packaging.
Energy-efficient LED lighting completes the assembly. The first illumination test is ready. The natural horn glows beautifully under warm LED light. Each luxury lamp is now ready for final inspection.
Each lamp undergoes a final lighting inspection. The natural horn must glow evenly from every angle.
Perfect balance creates an elegant hanging display. Every lamp is adjusted with millimeter precision.
Durability testing ensures lasting performance. Every suspension component must pass inspection.
Each lamp receives its permanent identification. The serial number confirms complete quality tracking.
Automated vehicles deliver finished lamps to the shipping dock. Every shipment is digitally tracked. Each pallet is carefully loaded for safe transportation. Proper loading protects every luxury lamp. Every shipment is documented and digitally verified. The finished products are now ready for delivery. The completed lamps begin their journey to customers. Each shipment leaves under strict quality control. The luxury lamps travel safely across long distances. Every shipment is tracked from factory to destination.
That's the last connection.
All right, let's test the circuit. It's working perfectly.
Each handcrafted lamp is showcased in a luxury showroom. The natural white horn creates a unique lighting effect.
Each handcrafted lamp is showcased in a luxury showroom. The natural white horn creates a unique lighting effect. Every horn displays its own unique natural pattern. No two luxury lamps are exactly alike.
Each luxury lamp includes quality certification. It is now ready for its new home.
Check the laser alignment on your side. Yeah. Looks dead center. Go ahead and secure it.
The natural white horn transforms light into art. The manufacturing journey is now complete.
The handcrafted lamp becomes the centerpiece of the room. Every detail reflects exceptional craftsmanship.
From carefully sourced horn to a luxury masterpiece, every stage reflects precision, craftsmanship, and quality.
From raw white Brahman horn to a handcrafted luxury pendant lamp. Thank you for watching the complete manufacturing journey.